Good morning, everybody. As you can see, I'm having party time this morning in the van. I came out here this morning to just do a quick video for you guys, just to let you see my party lights. I thought I'd put them up for you. And probably need a little more lighting here. These solar lights, I love them, by Lucy Lights. And they charge, you know, by the light of the sun. So you don't have any expense. And then I have, oops, that's my stupid reflectix. I have to recut it because it's way too small for that window. The cut is a little bigger because it doesn't stay inside, but that's okay. Yeah, I took all the white and the black off of it because I just had to take it off because it wasn't staying up, and I had all this black duct tape around the edges, and I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna take it off. I don't need it. But yeah guys, I've been doing a few things at the house. My mom is feeling a little bit better. So yeah, I've been going to the gym. I joined the gym. Actually, I'm going there this morning, and these are a little bright. I don't know, do you like that, guys? Should we calm it down a little this morning? How's that? That's kind of nice. So I joined the gym a while ago, I guess a couple days ago, and I went Friday, and I plan on going again this morning because I got in the habit now of getting my mom up at 11 a.m. That way I have the morning to do the things that I want to do. And she sleeps pretty much the whole time. So that makes it really nice for me. I can take my run, I can go to the gym, I can take care of myself, do some self-care, read the Bible, pray, spend time with the Lord. You know, just give me time to come out here, talk to you guys a little bit, and just let you know what's going on with Ruby. I have made a few changes to the van, and I'm so excited that I can soon go on a trip again because I found someone that can stay with my mom at nighttime. Only I probably won't be going too far away. I'll keep it local in case they need me for anything, but it's going to be nice for me to get away. That's my plan if everything works out, if my mom keeps getting better, that I can actually go. But anyway, I made a few tweaks to the van. I've been working on it. I'll show you guys real quick. You know, if you can see, the curtains in the front, I changed to white. Remember, I had the coral curtains up there before. I changed them to white. I just think it just makes the van look bigger. And if you could see this cool apparatus thing I have on the side of my bed, has a little pocket on the outside of it. I don't know if you could see it or not. It has like this little pocket. And then it has these legs that adjust, and it just slides underneath my foam mattress, and it gives me like a handrail at nighttime to hold on to for when I need to get in and out of bed, which kind of makes it handy. You know, it goes all the way down, it touches the floor, and it slides right underneath of there, and I kind of like it. I can also use it to hang things off of, you know, like towels and stuff like that to dry, washcloths, that type of thing. These are my pillows. Usually I keep this white pillow against the door at nighttime because it blocks air. But yeah, and the silver reflectix, like I said, I'm going to leave them silver. I'm not going to put the white and the flowers on them. I just decided to leave them silver. I mean, what's the big deal? I may need to cut them a little bigger because they don't quite stay in for me like I want them to. Unless I can think of some other way to keep them in there. They're just kind of not quite fitting in there. But yeah, that's that. So I just wanted you guys to know what's going on, what I've been up to. I've been pretty much chilling, you know, because I can't do much because I have my mom here and I have to take care of her. It's a full-time job, as you know. And, you know, being a caretaker requires a lot of self-care as well. So, excuse me, I've been coming out here, getting my van ready for my first trip. I'm real excited that I have this time. Actually, I do need to de-winterize my water tanks because it's getting cold. And as you guys know, I do that every season. I put RV antifreeze in my water tanks before it gets too cold, and I de-winterize my tanks because I do have a water pump and I don't want that to freeze, so that next spring when I do open it up, put my water back in, I don't have any frozen lines in there. So that's my plan. I'm going to be doing that probably maybe within the next week. As soon as this Hurricane Ian leaves the coast, I mean, we have had 4 days of just rain because of Ian, and Florida got devastated. I know that Puerto Rico is devastated. A lot of areas are really devastated. We just got hit with, I would say, winds at about 25 miles an hour, and we had heavy rain. A lot of rain and coastal flooding, coastal surging of water and stuff like that. But generally, the main pain in the rear end is I can't run every morning because it's pouring down raining every morning. So my plan today is to go to the gym, work out, do my run on the treadmill, do my weight training, lifting, and come back home and be ready to get her back up for 11 a.m. because she does have physical therapy today at 1. But yeah, guys, that's what's happening. But my real joy and what I really wanted to tell you is how excited I am that I got some work done on the van, made some changes. I really like my little railing thing. I won't know how much I like it until I actually use it. You know, I start using it, putting it to work and see if it's in the way. It might be in the way of my jackery because I usually put my jackery down there on the floor. So I hope it's not in the way of that. We'll see how it works out. I might be able to straddle it between the legs of it. I don't know. I just have to see how it goes. But right now I really like it because it'll make it really nice for me at night. When I go to get up out of bed, I'll have that railing to grab a hold of to bring me up at night. So yeah, like I'll show it to you as if I'm in bed. I'm going to show it to you now. I'll move my pillow over here on the side, which is usually where I keep it, and it blocks the air. But it's pretty cool. So basically, when I'm laying in bed, and right now I'm sitting up in bed like I'm gonna have a movie night, I have this railing here. So, you know, if I need to get up, I could just grab it and pull myself up. It's not a struggle. I just put my hand on it, and I pull myself up. I really like having that. And then I have a pocket in the front here that I could actually put things in. I could put my phone in there. I don't know if you could see it. I could put my phone in there. Anything else that I have to reach for at nighttime, maybe cough drops. Anything at all that I need to reach for in the middle of the night. I could even keep my keys in there. You know, usually I keep it in my IKEA thing, but could also keep those in there. I could use it as a fast grab place. So yeah, guys, I kind of like it. I like my handrail thing. I mean, as you get older, you have to make these adjustments in your van. This is one that I've decided to make. Here you can see my curtains that I decided to go with. They're white. That's some light in here. But I like the white because I had the coral here, which was pretty. This is also a blackout curtain. But this one is just brighter, and I think it makes my van look much bigger. So you can still, you know, open them if you want to. When I'm driving, I always open them and I tie them so that they don't block my view. And I also do that with the ones in the back. So yeah, guys, I'm in my van. I'm in my happy place. Thanks for coming along with me and seeing the changes that I made. It's still kind of damp and cold outside, but hey, I'm chilling in Ruby and I'm loving it. And yeah, it's awesome. I think I'm gonna really dig this little thing here that I put here. So like, I could just use it to get up. I just did it. I mean, it's pretty darn cool. You know, I could use it to get back over to my chair. And also, I was thinking about it, it'll block Teddy that he won't fall out of bed at night. You know, like if he's laying up here, well, not at nighttime, but during the day, he usually lays up there. It's pretty cool. My keys I can keep in there. I could keep whatever I want in this little pocket. And it just kind of slides underneath there. And then you can adjust the legs. And I really like it. I can take it, you know, further forward, I guess, if I want to. If I really want to. I think that would probably be good, though, at that location. So, yeah, that's my change that I made in the van. I hope you guys have a great week. I'm going to try to do some cooking videos for you this week. I did make some cookies in my oven, in my camper oven the other day, but I didn't film it. I cooked in my camper oven out here in my van with my propane. I did that right in my van. I made fat-burning chocolate chip cookies the other day. You know, I'm doing things out here because I like to come out here, and I'm camping in my driveway right now. So I'm really loving it. I am planning on ordering a ProMaster probably this coming January. Actually, I'm going to go online and I'm going to try to find a hopefully a year-old or 2-year-old ProMaster. And I'm going to hire this guy out west. His name is Eric Lofkin, and he's already given me a design and a price. And I'm going to get a van built. Oh, this stupid thing. And then, guys, I'm going to sell Ruby. If anybody's interested in buying Ruby, she's going to go for sale. Now, I did get a price on Ruby. Believe it or not, prices on resale vehicles have gone up. I was told my van is worth $19,000. Now, I know that sounds pretty crazy, but that's what they told me. At the Delaware Department of Transportation, when I went to get the title transferred from my mother's name to my name, my van value was $19,000. The guy could not believe it. But it's because you can't get resale vehicles right now, and new ones are hard to get as well. So I'm going to sell it, but I'm not going to charge $19,000. I'm probably going to want about $8,000 for it, and that's with everything. That's with, you know, all the kit that's inside the van. You know, everything is included. It has 118,000 miles on it. So if somebody can, you know, PM me that's interested in buying it for $8,000, I probably don't want to sell it until I get my other van built, which would be in like April. I should have it back by. As soon as I have my other van, you guys can, you know, let me know if you're interested, and I can keep you posted as to, you know, when it's available for you to buy. But I do not want to sell it until next April. I think like $8,500, $8,000 would be a good price for it. It is low mileage. It is in great condition. Ruby's doesn't have any leaks or anything like that. Her headliner's a little old. You may want to work on that, but it's worked for me fine. And like I said, I camp all the time with her, and she's a great, great, great van. I hate to part with her, but I just want to get something a little bigger that I can stand up in. I might be able to take my mom along with me once she gets better on a couple of trips. I'll have to handicap modify my new van a little for her. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So if anybody's interested in buying Ruby, just give me a private message. I'll keep you posted as to when she comes officially for sale. But yeah, easy on gas. I mean, I can't remember what my mileage is. I think it's 22 miles to a gallon on a trip, which isn't bad. And it takes regular gas. You don't need to put super in this van. It comes equipped with a sink with running water, with a refrigerator, freezer, compressor refrigerator. She has a full-size bed. It goes into a double bed. You know, the whole kit, basically, the table, everything comes with it. Seat covers will come with it. And probably, if you're interested, I could leave, you know, all the camping equipment, you know, the dishes and the stove and all that stuff as well. If you don't have anything of your own, I would be happy to throw that into the deal as well. Because in my new van, I'll probably do a built-in stove, you know, my refrigerator and stuff will be built into that as well. So let me know if you're interested, guys. I also have an Ivation shower system, a shower pump system that you can use in the back of the van, or you could just use the shower head that I have with my sink. But I'll leave that with the van as well. So that's the latest, guys. Let me know if there's any bidders that want to, you know, keep in touch with me to purchase it. But I'll see you guys down the road. I'm going to go in here and check on my mama and go to the gym. I love you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.